Welcome back to the Kimmy Baby 21 podcast, where we explore all things tech, innovation, and empowerment. Today, we've got a fascinating episode lined up. The future of virtualization, top brands, innovations, and must-have tools you need to know. Virtualization is more than just a buzzword. It's a game changer that's reshaping IT infrastructure, cloud computing, and even edge computing. Whether you're a tech newbie or an industry expert, we'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the latest developments in virtualization. Let's dive right in. Segment 1, what is infrastructure virtualization? Let's start with the basics before we dive into the exciting new trends. Infrastructure virtualization refers to the creation of virtual, rather than physical, versions of IT resources such as servers, storage devices, and networks. By creating these virtual versions, businesses can pool their resources, reduce hardware costs, and scale infrastructure without needing massive physical upgrades. It's about flexibility. Instead of being tied down to physical hardware, you can deploy multiple virtual machines, VMs, on a single server, which increases the efficiency of your hardware. The virtual machines behave just like real computers, with their own operating system and resources. This allows for faster provisioning, scaling, and better disaster recovery capabilities. Segment 2, latest trends in virtualization. Now let's look at the latest trends transforming the virtualization space. Trend 1, the rise of hybrid cloud solutions. As businesses migrate towards the cloud, hybrid cloud solutions are becoming more important. A hybrid cloud environment combines both private and public clouds, giving companies the flexibility to store sensitive data on a private cloud while taking advantage of the scalability of public clouds like AWS or Azure. Brand recommendation: VMware vSphere. Pros: industry-leading scalability. VMware vSphere enables large businesses to scale up their infrastructure easily while maintaining high availability. Cloud integration seamlessly integrates with public cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Security offers robust security features, including microsegmentation and encryption. Cons: high-cost, VMware's licensing fees can be expensive, making it better suited for large enterprises with significant budgets. Complexity: although powerful, vSphere can be difficult to manage without skilled personnel. Brand recommendation: Microsoft Hyper-V. Pros: cost-effective. Hyper-V is an affordable solution, especially for organizations already using Microsoft products. Integration with Windows Server. It integrates well with Windows environments, making management straightforward. Supports both Linux and Windows VMs. Offers flexibility in hosting various operating systems. Cons: limited features compared to VMware. Lacks some of the advanced features that VMware offers for larger deployments. More complex for non-Windows environments. If you're working in a non-Windows environment, Hyper-V can be less user-friendly. Trend 2, the rise of containers and Kubernetes. Containers are becoming more popular due to their lightweight nature. Unlike virtual machines, which are large and require their own operating system, containers run on the host OS, making them faster and more resource efficient. The leader in this space is Docker, a platform that enables developers to easily create, deploy, and run applications using containers. Kubernetes is the container orchestration tool that manages clusters of containers, ensuring they run efficiently across different environments. It automates deployments, scaling, and management, making it a must-have tool for businesses embracing containerization. Brand recommendation: Docker. Pros: portability. Containers run consistently across different environments, whether it's on-premises or in the cloud. Resource efficient. Containers share the host system's kernel, meaning they require fewer resources than VMs. Cons: security risks. Containers are not as isolated as VMs, which can create security vulnerabilities if not properly managed. Networking challenges. Setting up networking between containers can be tricky, especially for larger applications. Brand recommendation: Kubernetes. Pros: scalability. Kubernetes automates scaling up or down based on traffic demands, making it ideal for microservices architectures. High availability ensures your containers stay up and running by automatically redistributing resources in case of failures. Cons: complexity. Kubernetes can be difficult to learn and manage, especially for small teams. Resource intensive. It requires a good amount of infrastructure resources to manage and run Kubernetes clusters. Trend 3, Edge computing and virtualization at the edge. Edge computing brings computing closer to the devices generating the data. Think of IoT devices, smart sensors, and autonomous vehicles. By processing data locally at the edge, businesses can reduce latency and improve response times. Virtualization is crucial for edge computing because it allows companies to create virtualized infrastructure at remote locations, optimizing performance and reducing costs. Brand recommendation: Dell EMC PowerEdge servers for edge. Pros: performance. PowerEdge servers are built for edge computing, offering high performance for remote locations and small-scale operations. Security comes with hardware-based security features, which are critical for edge environments where security is a concern. Cons: upfront cost. Initial investments can be high, especially for smaller businesses. Maintenance: edge devices require ongoing monitoring and maintenance, which can be resource-intensive. Segment 3: use cases and real-world examples. So how do these trends play out in the real world? Let's look at some examples. Tesla uses edge virtualization to process data from its self-driving cars. By processing data locally within the car, Tesla can make real-time decisions, improving the vehicle's performance and safety. Netflix relies on virtualization to scale its global streaming infrastructure. Using both private and public cloud environments, Netflix can manage millions of user requests and ensure high-quality streaming without interruptions. Segment 4: the future of virtualization. What's next? The future of virtualization is driven by AI-powered management tools and 5G networks. AI will enable intelligent resource allocation, load balancing, and troubleshooting. 5G will bring faster data processing speeds, empowering businesses to deliver faster and more reliable services to customers. Outro. So there you have it, folks. The latest innovations and top brands in infrastructure virtualization. Whether you're looking to scale your infrastructure, improve your cloud strategy, or explore new technologies like containers and edge computing, the future is bright. Stay tuned to the Kimmy Baby 21 podcast for more insights. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest in tech and innovation.